The fountain itself started its life as an exhibit at the Great Exhibition in London, and then it was put into store for a bit. It was discovered in the 1950s in some gardeners' sheds and returned to Coalbrookdale and restored by the foundry when it was still in operation here. The paint on the surfaces of the fountain have deteriorated to a point where the trust had decided it needed to be conserved. The decision was taken to remove it from its plinth and transfer it into this workshop here. You can do a much better job when it's inside and we're protected from the weather, particularly as we're moving into the autumn. So what we've been able to do is separate the swan from the top of the fountain so that we can work on the swan and boy much more easily. We've stripped all the paint layers in the bowl back to bare metal because most of those are heavily deteriorated, and also done quite a bit of cleaning back to the body of the swan and the boy. But the underside of the bowl and the pedestal was in a very good condition really because it's been protected from the weather. We've put an anti-corrosion primer in the bottom of the bowl area to give that maximum protection. We're using a bronze paint which contains small metallic particles so that it will have a bronze finish. We're also making some changes to the water jet that comes out of the beak of the swan. It had a complicated nozzle arrangement on there before and was a little bit disfiguring, so the decision has been made to put a less obvious nozzle inside the beak as the fountain would have originally been when it was made back in the 1850s.